Alright guys, we are back today with the 2008 Focus. We're going to have one last video on it. We're going to do a test drive of it. This is a 2008, as I said. 5-speed stick shift. It's going to be probably a fairly cold start. It's been sitting for a while, for a few hours at least. I don't know how well this video will turn out trying to drive a stick shift and hold the camera in like a first-person view type thing here, but we'll give it a shot. We still have it here. Quite windy out today, so the car does get kind of thrown around a bit by the wind, but bit of a haze over the windshield there. So, you know, for downshifting, we'll downshift it here. Size of the car and the engine, it moves out very well. It's by no means a race car, but the 5-speed definitely makes the experience driving this thing. So just kind of pull out in traffic here and just again, it's kind of hard to drive with one hand shifting stick, but definitely gonna miss this little thing. Coming to a stop, you know, downshifting and rev matching is quite easy. So we are kind of up a slight incline here, so I'm gonna do a little acceleration run. Hopefully, slight turns green in a moment, but. And back to zero. slight incline here, but as you can see, it's quite peppy, and it just takes the red line. Yeah, it takes it with ease. I've definitely put this car through its paces, and I do the same. I'm very impressed with it. So I'm going to end the video here. Just a brief little drive of the Focus. I know I had never had put a video out on it, but I figured why not. So, as usual, guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk to y'all later.